Hey, hi, what's up? What's your name?
Hi, my name is Phong Tao.
Well, nice to meet you. My name is Jimmy, and I have a few quick questions for you about tonight's event. The first thing I wanted to ask you was, what was your favorite moment from tonight? Like, what was a favorite topic?
Oh, favorite topic.
Yeah.
I do like bullet points.
Yeah.
So I like when they share the 7 bullet point reasons for your unique service proposition, I think it was.
Right. Yes.
But I do like bullet points. I like the charts. And I like the fact that they did explain we have to have a lifetime value to bring people back.
Okay, great. And I was gonna also say, could you tell me like, what is one of your favorite things about these workshops? Like, what is it that makes you want to keep coming back, and hopefully you do come back?
Well, number one, the space is awesome. I mean, the space is very inspiring, but the people, the AGM marketing folks everyone's very friendly. If I've been here before, I've been here before, so everyone kind of,
I remember.
some people recognize and they're friendly and they recognize me, which is important. Like if I've been here a few times and you recognize me.
Yeah,
but overall, everything, everyone who's spoken is very knowledgeable.
Yeah.
And it's a lot of good information, all packed into like 1 hour, so.
Well, great, thank you. And I guess my last question kind of piggybacks off that. Will we see you next time for future events?
Of course.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Bye.
See ya.